Hello, my friends. Welcome to English from Scratch. My name is Stalo. If you are a beginner, you are at the right place. But these lessons are not only for beginners, they are also for people who want to practice and improve their English. As the name implies, we will start from scratch, from the very beginning, and go at a slow pace. When you are learning a new language, it's always a good idea to read and repeat and say everything out loud, not silently. So have that in mind when you practice. Our first topic is the alphabet. I want you to get a sense of the basic sound or sounds of every letter. Some letters can make two or more different sounds. Today we will stick to the basic ones. Also, you will notice that some letters are in yellow. Those are the vowels. The rest are the consonants. The English alphabet has 26 letters. A, ace, apple. B, bear. C, scent, cold. D, dog. E, ear, egg. F, fish. G, giraffe, goat. H, he. I, ice, if. J, jet. K, kiss. L, lemon. M, market. N, name. O, orange. P, pen. Q, queen. R, reed. S, 7. T, time. U, unit, up. V, vet. W, win. X, X-ray. Y, yes. Z, zoo. The letters U, W, and Y are a little bit tricky. We will come back to those at a later time. So now you know your alphabet. Can you find something around you that begins with the sound of A, B, or C? It can even be in your own language. Tell me in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.